guys. Ah! We're gonna pick a blind bag today. I'm gonna pick one. So yeah. No. Okay, what did I got? Oh my gosh, I got drink. So we're gonna get here. So get this out of way box. See? First box. Second box. Third box. And we still need a ring. Because my ring is gone. Let's see what we got in here. Squishmallows. Nah. Ah! My head! Wait, guys, I'm gonna get this ring out of here. Okay. We still need that blind bag. Ooh, I think this one is the one. What do we got? Drink. Wait, my hand needs a wing. It is my wing and my finger. Put a tray. So we're gonna open this drink blind bag. I think we need scissors. Yep, we need scissors. Before we're gonna open this blind bag, we show our mixing ASMR stuff. I got